In this video, you'll learn how to convert USDT to TON on the Binance Exchange. By following this guide, you will successfully complete the conversion process and manage your cryptocurrency assets effectively. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the trade section located on the main menu. Here you have two options. You can either choose convert for a quick swap or search for the TON/USDCD trading pair under spot trading. It is important to ensure that your USDT balance is available in your spot wallet before you proceed, as this is necessary for the conversion process. Next, if you opted for the convert feature, select you want to convert from. After that, choose TON, often abbreviated as TSOM, as the receiving asset. Enter the specific amount of USDT you wish to convert. As you input this value, take a moment to carefully preview the conversion rate displayed on the screen. This rate reflects the amount of TON you will receive for your USDT. Once you've entered the desired amount, you will see a countdown timer appear on the screen. This timer indicates how long you have to confirm the transaction. It is essential to review all the details before proceeding. Once you are satisfied with the conversion rate and the amount, confirm the transaction. After clicking the confirmation button, Binance will process the transaction almost instantly. After the conversion is complete, navigate to your spot wallet to verify that your TON balance has been updated. This step is crucial as it allows you to ensure that the conversion was successful and that the correct amount of TON has been added to your wallet. If you experience any delays, it may be due to network conditions or system processing times, which can vary based on your internet speed and the overall load on the Binance platform. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.